Hi, and welcome to a video on how to shape and trim your nails or change the shape from a round finish to a square finish. Alright, let's begin. Now I'm going to change this shape to this. Have a look. I'm going to start with the top. Take a little bit off the sides. Right, see the difference? I'm gonna take a nail filer, just make sure that the edges are a bit more rounded.
I don't know what's wrong. Okay.
Alright, see, I'm making sure that the edges are smoothened out. There you go. Once you shape it up to this point, take a smoother buffer. Just keep doing that. The key here is to make sure that both edges are equally shaped. Start with one side and then go to the other. Okay, let's keep at it. Okay. Okay, keep at it. It's coming along smoothly. Alright, keep doing it, and once it's done, you can see the visible difference between a round edge and a square one. You can make it more sharp on the edges like that if you like. It's 3 different types. Now if your nail is too long and you just want to continue the same one and you just want to trim it down, just take the nail with the shape that you already have, just trim it down like that. Keep in mind that the difficult part is to make sure that both sides have an even edge, and then file it down to get it smooth. Once it's filed, use a buffer, smoothen out the edges. It's good to do it downward. Use the smoothest possible edge at the end. And if you want a smoother top so that nail polish comes around smoothly, just use this very lightly like that, so that you have a smooth top. But don't overdo it, because that can just go right through. So just a little mild brush will do. And there you have it, a trimmed nail with the same shape, or a box, depending on what design you're going to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe.